What's up, guys? This is Jonathan with Izaguirre Mold Detailing, Paint Correction, and Ceramic Coating Specialist here in Powder Springs, Georgia. And in today's video, we are doing a paint enhancement with a 3-year ceramic coating. Now, this client actually did her husband's Maserati sedan model, and then they absolutely loved it. She said she wanted to go ahead and get it done for her SUV, and that is what we are doing today. So with this vehicle, she is on our maintenance program, so not too many swirl marks at all or scratches, just very few that I wanted to touch up. One noticeable big scratch that I went ahead and took care of before doing the paint enhancement. And with the goal with the paint enhancement is to take care of those very light swirl marks, but most importantly, break down that kind of old layer of clear coat slash kind of the waxes that wasn't able to take off with the surface prep spray. So just taking off that top layer, and the important reason that we want to do that before applying the ceramic coating is just to make sure we have a bare, clear surface that we are applying the ceramic coating to. Now, if you have any little swirl marks or any of that residue of maybe a wax or anything, it's gonna prevent the ceramic coating from bonding properly to the paint. For example, if we were gonna do the 3-year ceramic coating package on a vehicle this size, it would be $1,200. But again, she's on our maintenance program. It's not gonna be a full one-step paint correction. It's mostly just gonna be touch up and then a quick pass. Is pretty much what the paint enhancement is. So basically, we were able to cut off $400 off of this total price and knock it down to $800. So that is just what made sense with her vehicle, and to get it looking as best as it possibly can, it took a lot less. So that price kind of reflects that. And what's interesting about this vehicle in particular is that, yes, she was on the maintenance program and her vehicle looked great. But once we did that ceramic coating to her husband's vehicle, you can just see the difference in the gloss and in the paint, and basically seeing no imperfection pretty much in that sedan model Maserati. So that difference is definitely very noticeable, even with the vehicle that we've been maintaining on a monthly basis. So the ceramic coating service is super great service, just to bring out that extra oomph out of the paint, that extra gloss. That is what the ceramic coating does. While also providing extra gloss, it also provides hydrophobic, scratch resistant, and chemical resistant properties as well. Super durable stuff, and also provides super high gloss. And this is going to last 3 years of protection in this 3-year ceramic coating. And we are also going to keep maintaining it throughout. So it might even last even longer than 3 years. This is actually a garage kept vehicle as well. So this thing is going to be super protected and taken care of. Now, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to comment that down below in the description box, or also give us a call or shoot us a text. We like to talk to you guys one-on-one and figure out exactly which ceramic coating and paint correction fits you best. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys in the next one.